morning. It is 6:30. Probably we slept the longest, maybe 8 hours. We slept in some tents on the roof. Then we still got wet the night. We didn't say goodbye yesterday. Today we will drive to Drakensberg to go horse riding tomorrow. So it's very beautiful scenery over here. But good morning for us. We're taking a shower, I guess African style, or maybe Swaziland style.
In like how many days?
Since Thursday, and it's today Monday, and I would say it's the first breakfast before 10.
Lychee!
Or before 8.
Lychee and mangoes.
Good. So where's my mango? We are leaving Swaziland, Lund, and going to Drakensberg. I thought you were. Basti, this is personally for you. You know all the speed bumps in Mexico, and the one that we hit with about 50 kilometers per hour, and the bags jumping to the ceiling. We are in Swaziland, and they have the same speed bumps but without any signs. And they are not only where there are houses or bus stops, but they are also in the middle of nowhere. And I hit like 2 already. Okay, you're driving over a hill, and right on the hill you cannot see it. The road stops and there's dirt and you go down. It's like, yeah. Shawnee told us that they steal the signs because they sell the metal. They're stupid. So you enjoy the ride. It's a beautiful. And we have like, I think it feels like 20 horsepower. No, that's an assault against horses. I would say maybe 1 horsepower. Ja, Dogs Power, probably. Dogs Power. Alleine. Die lieber schon mal.
Ich glaube, die neue Straße ist einfach der Hilfswald.
Ich wusste es! I knew it! Bye.
Was macht er hier? Das wird abschließen?
Really? Crossing the border to South Africa, Swaziland. Very good. How are you? Chop. What about that fish? Thank you, sir. Merry Christmas. Heute müssen wir hier wieder zu Customs, oder was?
Das ist für Südafrika, der andere war für Swaziland.
And the next stop! It's very easy to cross lines. Yeah. Just collecting stamps. We left Swaziland.
Ja, ich weiß, der Schweiz passt für mich.
And now coming to South Africa. Wir sind jetzt auch schon 10 Jahre alt.
Knickknacks, yo!
How are you, sir?
Yes, how are you?
Very fine.
I'm also fine. Okay, with the passport, I won't need the passport.
Passport?
No. Don't worry with the passport, I will just deal with the vehicle.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I only do the passport when you are going.
Okay.
When you are coming back, and then just only the vehicle.
Okay, sir.
Coming home to Amsterdam. Looks like
Amsterdam!
a 4-hour drive to my home. From
Merry
here.
Christmas!
We arrived at Amsterdam! There's no water here. They stole it.
It's quite different from the real Amsterdam.
Yeah. There's a small difference between Amsterdam in Europe and Amsterdam here, but except for that. got nothing! We're going to Howick Falls. It's the first time we are scared of the security of our car because there are a lot of drunk people just sitting around, and it's 5:30. No, it's 4:30, guys. It's 4:30, and I've been driving since 7 o'clock in the morning. We made a lot of way, and there's no waterfall. That's what I wanted to tell. No, we went grocery shopping, which was very funny because we were all very happy and positive, and there's no waterfall. That's why all the people were hanging out at the parking space, I guess. Beautiful. I was like, good that we saw this. Rocks and grass and no water. So I guess that's the fastest time we have been at any sightseeing thing in South Africa. Exactly about 2 minutes. Because there was no water at the waterfall. So it was just a fall. Or a fail. Whatever you want to call that. So after 11 hours we are there in Drakensberg. As you can see, nothing. But tomorrow you will see much more. We will go horse riding. I don't know if I will like it, but you have to try things, I guess. So we will see how it goes. This is our place where we probably stay. I hope they have internet to upload the vlogs. I hope so. I guess African cats like to be under tents. Guten Morgen! So guys, I will check you tomorrow. We are right at Drakensberg. We will go horse riding tomorrow morning. It will be lovely. I hope so. It's 10:30. We'll probably don't have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, so that will be a good, lovely night in our tents. My sleeping bag is a bit too cold. Yeah, the weather's a bit too cold, so we'll freeze probably. But that's not a big deal because that's life. So remember to be creative, courageous. Never give up. I'll see you tomorrow. This is